A man accused of punching a prosecutor caused more chaos in the courtroom today after allegedly threatening to kill the judge and his family. Our Joy Foltz explains what happened and has more on the growing concerns over courtroom security in Richmond.
There was another hostile hearing inside of the John Marshall Courts building Monday morning. The man accused of punching a prosecutor in the face during his hearing earlier this month appeared in court again, this time threatening violence against the judge and his family. Callie Belfield, who waived his right to an attorney and represented himself, appeared in court on June 12th, facing robbery, strangulation, and firearm charges. And when the judge denied bond, Richmond Commonwealth's attorney Colette McKeechin said Belfield tried to attack the judge but was unable to get to him, so he turned to prosecutor Alvin Williams and punched him in the face. And now, weeks later, Belfield went before a judge facing even more charges.
Certainly any time something becomes physical like that, and frankly, that's the first time I'd ever experienced that in a courtroom, it throws off the whole flow of the case.
CBS 6 was there as Belfield was brought in Monday, this time surrounded by 3 deputies with 3 other deputies spread out across the room. Belfield began telling the judge he thought the system was corrupted and that he wasn't getting a fair trial. His anger visibly growing, he then began using profanity towards the judge, to which the judge responded by telling him another offense was being added to his charges. Belfield followed this by threatening the judge, saying he was going to kill him and his family, to which the judge ordered he be escorted out of the courtroom. Present at Monday's hearing, McKeechin shared her frustration with the sheriff's office and things escalating the way they did at Belfield's last hearing.
We were appalled, not only because one of our attorneys was physically attacked in court by a defendant, but also because the laxity of the sheriff's office allowed that attack to happen.
It's an ongoing issue she says needs to be addressed quickly. But Richmond Sheriff Antoinette Irving says while they face staffing challenges like others in public safety, they are doing the best they can with the staffing they have.
We're continuously making changes. We're making sure that we're staffed up, that we can handle whichever cases may come up. If we have those cases that may be a little bit more intense, we ensure that we have the appropriate staff inside of the courtrooms.
McKeechin, however, hopes more is done by the sheriff to ensure the safety of others.
It's bad enough that an attorney, a prosecutor whose job is to promote safety and justice for victims and witnesses, was attacked by a single defendant. I don't want that to happen to anyone else.
Now, a new hearing date has not yet been set, but the judge did issue a competency evaluation be completed on Belfield. For CBS 6 News, I'm Joy Foltz. Bill?